Okay, so let's further go ahead and build another network now, and let's try to examine these. So let me go in and let me start creating the network. We are going to again use the 1941 test. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna use 3560 multi-layer switches. 1, 2, 3, yeah, and 4. And I'm gonna use 4 endpoints. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me in fact go ahead and change the name. I'm going to make it 4, 3, PC2, and PC1. And I'm going to change the name of this router as your first name. 3, your first name. R2, your first name. Sorry. And R4, your first name. I'm going to change the name of the switches to MS1, your last name or your second name. MS2, your second name. MS3, your second name. MS4, your second name. All right, so next let us go ahead and let us connect these serial cables. I'm just going to add the serial cables for these. Go switch on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's start connecting. I'm going to connect the PC F01, PC2, 02, PC3, F04, PC4, F03. Actually, let's just change the names here. I'm going to call it 5 for 1 minute. I'll call this one PC number 4. I'll call this one PC number 3. So they are aligned with these. Next, connecting the gigabit 0 by 1 to gigabit 0 by 1, gigabit 0 by 1 to gigabit 0 by 1, gigabit 0 by 1 to gigabit 0 by 1, gigabit 0 by 1 to gigabit 0 by 1. Okay, serial interface S0 by 0 by 1 to S0 by 0 by 1. S0 by 0 by 0 to S0 by 0 by 0. S0 by 0 by 1 to S0 by 0 by 1, and S0 by 0 by 0 to S0 by 0 by 0. All right, so we've gone ahead and we set it up. Let's also now go ahead and let's set up the machines. So for this, I'm going to go first into PC number 1. We're going to go to desktop IP configuration. We are going to have the configuration from IP version 6. I'm going to give it a static IP address, so 2001 DB8 A, B, C, D, A1, okay. And let me give it /64, okay. And I'm going to give the default gateway as E80::1. I think this is the one that we need. So just like I have configured it for this one, I'm going to configure for, okay, just like I configured for this one. I'm going to configure this for EC2. In the configuration, I will go to IP address static. I'm going to put the default gateway as this. This is 2001:B8:B::B2/64 PC number 3 2001:D::B::C::C3:64 and 2001:D::B::D::D4/64. All right. Next, let us go configure the multi-layer switches. Enable conf T, no IP domain lookup. And host name is ms1, your second name. Okay. And let us do SDM prefer dual IPv4 and IPv6 default. Okay, exit copy running config startup config. Okay. All right. Then let us go ahead and do interface conf T IPv6 address. This is this is 2001. This would be 2001 DB8. ABCD A::2/64. So this is IP version 6 address 64. So let me go ahead and let me just check. Yeah, this looks good. Then I need to, oh my God. So this is, let me just check. Is there a mistake in the address? Okay. IP Yeah, I think IPDD. IPv6 unicast routing. Okay. Unicast routing. Okay. Okay. Let me try again then. Interface VLAN 1. IPv6 address 2001:DB8 ABCD A:2/64. Then IPv6 address FE80:1 link local, right? So let me go ahead and let me just now say no shut. Okay, all right, let us see. And exit. And then let us do IP route :/0 2001:DB8 ABCD A::1. Right. Sorry, I think it is route IPv6 route, actually IPv6 route. Yeah, not IPv6 route. Okay. And with that, let us do exit, copy, running config, startup config. So let's go ahead and let's do this with the next MS2. Enable, no. Enable conf t hostname s2 ms2 underscore your second name. And in fact, let us now, just like we've configured, let's configure one of the routers, okay? Because that I think would be better. Let me say no. Let me do enable conf t hostname r1 your first name. And here, let me go ahead and let me configure the routing according to the table. So that is going to be interface wise. Let me say no IP domain lookup. I will do interface G0/1. First, I need to enable the so IPv6 unicast routing. Then I will do interface G0/1 IPv6 address 2001:DB8 ABCD A::1/64 IPv6 address FE80:1 link local. All right. No shut. And similarly, interface G, interface S, 0 by 0 by 0. IPv6 ADD 2001 TB8 colon ABCD colon 12 1/64 IPv6 ADDFE80 colon 1 link local, no shut. Interface S0 by 0 by 1 IPv6 address 2001 DB8 ABCD 13 colon 1/64 IPv6 address FE80 colon 1 link local, no shut. Okay. Then again, I would do exit IPv6 OSPF IPv6 router OSPF 1 router ID 16.16.16.16 and then I will say interface. Let me do exit first. Exit interface G0 by 1. Sorry, interface G0 by 1. IPv6 OSPF 1 area 0. IPv6 OSPF. Okay, that's done. Then let me say exit interface S0 by 0 by 0 IPv6 OSPF 1 via 0 exit interface S0 by 0 by 1 IPv6 OSPF 1 via 0 exit copy startup config. So like this, we need to configure all the routers.